There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in granite clear coat. With LED daytime running headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear load leveling suspension, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 46,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, heated rear seats, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 66768.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.